Have you ever felt as if your legs can no longer carry your own weight? Every step feels heavy, as if the ground itself is trying to hold you back. The paths that once felt easy now feel like a test after just a few steps. And you think to yourself, maybe this is old age. Maybe this is how it's supposed to be. But that's not the truth. This is the same body that once worked tirelessly for hours, the same heart that was once filled with energy and excitement. The difference is only this: your body is asking for help. And that help isn't hidden in pills or medicines, it's hidden in nature. Allah has placed healing in every grain of the earth. Some simple, everyday vegetables, the ones we see all the time, actually carry the power to bring life back into your legs. Sweet potato. This soft root is a treasure of strength. It's packed with minerals that relax and energize your muscles. When you eat sweet potato, it feels like a gentle fire is lit inside your legs, a warmth that supports you throughout the day. Spinach. It's not just a bunch of green leaves, it's a miracle of blood flow. Spinach opens up your veins, allowing oxygen to reach your muscles freely. The result? Numbness, coldness, and pain begin to fade. When the blood begins to flow, life begins to flow again too. Beetroot. Its deep color tells its own story. It's filled with the essence of life. Beetroot gives your steps new strength. Elders who regularly drink beetroot juice or eat it in meals feel lightness returning to their legs, as if their body is whispering, "I'm still alive. I can still walk." Broccoli. Don't forget this silent protector of bones. It's full of calcium, vitamin K, and natural healing energy. If your knees creak or ache while walking, this vegetable acts like a quiet balm, repairing and strengthening the bones from within. Garlic. It's not just aroma, it's the rhythm of life itself. It keeps the blood soft, cleanses the veins, and brings warmth and motion back to your feet. Add just 1 clove of garlic to your daily meals, and you'll notice it feels as if the earth itself is walking with you. My dear elders, time doesn't take away your strength. It only reminds you that your body needs the nourishment of nature once again. Medicines give temporary relief, but real healing lies in natural foods. So today, make a decision. Don't begin with fear, begin with faith. Fill your plate with colors: sweet potato, spinach, beetroot, broccoli, garlic. These aren't just vegetables, they are the colors of your new beginning. Remember, weakness is not your fate. It's just your body's way of saying, "I need love." And when you give your body the love of nature, it returns to you the feeling of youth. So rise up, take 1 step towards nature, and you'll see, your legs will once again learn to walk firmly on the earth. This isn't just a story, it's the beginning of your return.